Good morning, dear student, class 10, computer. Today I am going to start defining news group on the internet. First of all, we will know about what is the news group. It is a type of social networking. It is a group that we can share our thoughts and ideas, images, videos, and many things on the internet and share with many people that our message. News group is a kind of virtual round table where any user can post their message and other can read them. We can send and post our message and other user can easily access and read your message. News group are generally made for sharing information, some common topic and interest on the internet. User can meet their each virtual have discussion on this topic. News group is a also great way of sharing image, other files which can be attached to the message and videos also. There are some topic to defining on the how can we use news group. Log on the website containing the news group that want to access. In our case, suppose just we want to access through the news group on the special topic cricket. www.groups.yahoo.com. The page website are appear. Click the search box में जाएंगे and type any topic that you want to search through the news group. Suppose select the news group of your choice, click on the join group button and follow the simple instruction to become method of the news group. After becoming the member of news group, you can post your message and read your message. Students, just it is a social networking site and we can use to share and receive information through the news group. Just we will learn about understanding e-learning. Nowadays, it is very important educational e-learning through the internet. E-learning is a electronic learning and we can learn many more things through the e-learning nowadays, and we are seeing a lot of example as like we are taking a class through the online. This is also example of a e-learning education. E-learning refer to the electronic mode of delivering learning material, training or educational program to user. In this method, learning knowledge or skill are transferred with help of the computer connected to the network. Computers are connected to the network and we are share our learning method through the e-learning process. There are many advantages of e-learning effective as like cost effective. E-learning is a very easy and simple and it is also a very cost effective. Eliminate the expenses and time incurred in the traveling of both the instructor and the learner. Instructor and learner दोनों के लिए easy है and cheap भी है. It is a very not very expensive. We can access through the internet by e-learning classes. Fast learning, with help of the e-learning we are using fast learning of the knowledge. Consistent message, there is a many definition of a particular topic and we can access consistent message through the e-learning topic, and other anywhere anytime we can use anywhere anytime anyone with help of the internet. हम लोग कभी भी और कहीं भी इंटरनेट अपना एक्सेस कर सकते हैं अपने ई लर्निंग एजुकेशन को थ्रू द इंटरनेट. वी आर सीइंग लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल nowadays where whatever we are going anywhere or we are traveling, we can use access the e-learning through the internet. And there are some advantage of e-learning. Knowledge based e-learning, we can access many more knowledge, many other topics on the same topic we can discuss and access many other lectures. Online supported based e-learning हम लोग online supported based है, and we can access anyone, anytime, anywhere. Synchronous based e-learning, that is also called a real time e-learning. जैसे real time में classes चल रही है and we are accessing that class and knowledge with help of the internet. Acronym based e-learning, that is a recording e-learning material and we can use anytime, anywhere, any other time, and as a recorded CD, DVD or online store, and we can use that according to e-learning. E-learning is a very useful for us nowadays, for the teachers and students. It is both are beneficial. Understanding e-commerce. Now we will discuss about e-commerce. Students, now we are seeing lot of example of nowadays e-commerce. It is also called electronic commerce, electronic business. Nowadays we are seeing lot of example of online shopping and it is come in the e-commerce section. Many of the business are performed by the internet and you can buy and sell your product with help of the internet. E-learning simply means using the electronic mode such as the internet to sell and buy product or the services. There are some sell while making transfer. The factor that have contributed to the popularity and success e-learning as listed below. There are given some example of e-learning. Allow organization to manage and conduct their business tradition easily and effectively. हम लोग आसानी से अपने प्रोडक्ट को सेल कर सकते हैं, इंटरनेट पे एडवर्टीजमेंट दे सकते हैं और इंटरनेट के थ्रू हम लोग अपने प्रोडक्ट का ऐड भी करा सकते हैं. एंड फॉर द कस्टमर आर वेरी इजीली एक्सेस दैट मैसेज रिकॉर्ड्स, प्रोवाइड मैक्सिमम कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन एज द ट्रांसफर आर completed in short time. टाइम की भी बचत होती है. वी आर इन शॉर्ट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग द परचेजिंग एंड बहुत सारे चीज़ हम लोग घर पे ही डिलीवरी मंगा लेते हैं. दैट इज़ द एडवांटेज ऑफ ई लर्निंग. नाउअडेज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ई लर्निंग एंड वी आर यूज टू बाई एंड सेल many of the products through the internet. Enable organized to achieve competition is and market by the providing the product economical price and quickly. Mobile ticketing is a other service on the internet. Is mobile ticketing. Now we are seeing lot of example of online tickets. We are booking online ticket of railway, airlines, and hotel, restaurant, movies, and many more facilities are available to mobile ticketing. मोबाइल के थ्रू हम लोग टिकट्स को बुक करा लेते हैं और we are used to access road code, M ticket, security readable M tickets. Common usage of mobile ticketing are booking ticket for a flight, buses, train, and cinemas, concert, event or live show. There are many of the show we are used to make a ticket with help of the mobile. Advantage of e-ticketing, better customer convenience. कस्टमर के लिए आसानी से मिल जाते हैं, सुविधा होती है and we cannot face trouble. Reduce ticket printing, mailing cost. टिकट को मेल करना, प्रिंट करने से हम लोगों के कॉस्ट रिड्यूस होते हैं. And enhance revenue opportunity. M ticket have tremendously increased the accessible of ticket to the large customer base, which is return increasing the revenue of the business. And there are some disadvantages also of M ticketing. Forgery. M ticket can be easily forged. There are many apps to create fake snapshot of M tickets. कुछ फ्रॉड्स भी हो जाते हैं, तो इसके लिए हम लोग को बचना भी चाहिए. ब्लॉक SMS, कभी SMS ब्लॉक हो जाते हैं. नॉट रिलीएबल, यू कैन नॉट एक्सेस एम टिकट इन योर फोन एंड यू कैन नॉट कनेक्ट विथ इंटरनेट. समटाइम कुछ इशू आ जाते हैं, हम लोग कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं. नाउ इट इज ए ई बैंकिंग. ई बैंकिंग is a facility. Nowadays we are seeing lot of facility with the help of bank, and e-banking is also called electronic banking. We are used to access bank services through the e-banking, and there are many services are available. Suppose you withdraw your money, you access your statements of your account, accounts के details, account के transactions, and many more services we can perform by the e-banking, electronic banking. Nowadays information only on system, electronic information transfer system, fully electronic transaction system, and these are the main services of the e-banking. Now we will discuss about the ATM, automatic teller machine. It is a simple a card, and it just we are used to withdraw your money, transfer your money with help of the ATM. It is a facility of banking, and this is the some important services of internet just we are discussing about just. And now we will discuss in the next topic in the next class. Thanks all of you students.